There's plenty of good information stored in your site, but that won't help if you can't actually find it. The simplest way to view data is in Explorer. It's a looking glass into your business. To get to Explorer, simply log in and you're there. You can also use the home button down in the bottom here to return to the Explorer dashboard. On the sidebar in Explorer, there are links to various resources. Some of these links can go to different rapid experiences and other places on the internet, but the majority of these links will go to other various pages within Explorer. Under CRM, clicking on Contacts takes me to the Contacts page. On our site, the Contacts page shows a list of contacts. That may seem obvious, but it doesn't have to be set up that way. We could point it to any page on our site. The Contacts page here is what we call a list page. It's just a page that shows us a list of items. If I click into this Globosoft contact now, we move into the contact details page where we can see some more details about this particular contact. It's pretty typical that all tables will have both a list and a details page. Opening an item from a list is great, but it's far from the only way that we can get to an item. If we look down here at the industry on the contact, we have a handy Go To button right here. And using this, we can open the item in this lookup and navigate directly to Venture Capital Industry. We are now on the details page for the table Industries, looking specifically at the venture capital item. On the details page, right down the bottom, is information about the item, including which table it's from. Navigating from item to item with all of these handy links can make it possible to become a bit lost. You can always reset using the sidebar menu by simply going to another list or clicking the Rapid logo, which will take us back to the Explorer dashboard. However, another great way to backtrack is by following the trail of breadcrumbs that we've left behind. At the top, near where the title is, we can see the previous item page is shown. Clicking here will take us back a step, returning us to the Globosoft item page where we just were. Looking closer at the details page, we have a bunch of tabs up the top here, and each tab stores its own fully configurable page. Clicking on the Activity tab, this page is another details page about this item, just with a big activity feed filling it instead. In a similar way, Files is another details page, but it's filled with a file browser. This Tasks tab, on the other hand, is a list page for a different table, the Tasks table. And helpfully, this table is filtered by the context of the item that we are currently on. So instead of seeing every task in the system, we only see the tasks related to the current item. So if we look here, we can see that Marsha and Kenneth have some tasks assigned to them that are related to Globosoft.